The Samsung washing machine range has a ton of brilliantly useful innovations that help you to power through your washing and drying in smart, fast and kind ways. Features such as QuickDrive, AddWash, Autodose, ecobubble across series 5 to 9 transform your wash days. But what does it all mean? Well, Samsung are giving me 1 minute to explain their awesome range. So without any further ado, let's get a minute on the screen. Let's go! Series 5 gives you features like Hygiene Steam, 15-minute quick wash and ecobubble, which mixes air, water and detergent to create bubbles that wash your clothes at cooler temperatures. With Series 5 Plus, you'll see the addition of options such as Autodose, which automatically dispenses the right amount of detergent, AddWash for extra softener, or a rogue sock, or rinse-only items mid-cycle, and SmartControl Plus, which gives you personalised cycle recommendations based on your laundry habits. You also get notifications on your phone with the SmartThings app. Series 6 has both the features of Autodose and AddWash together on all the models in this segment. Jumping up to Series 8 and 9, and this is where you get QuickDrive. The drum is equipped with a pulsator that creates a unique dynamic action to wash quickly and efficiently to power through a 5 kg load in just 39 minutes using super speed cycle. And with high capacity drum options, SmartControl Plus, Auto Optimal Wash, Series 8 and 9 are the top options. Excellent, made it in 1 minute. So from the highest A-rated energy efficient products to whizzing through each load and letting you add to your wash mid-cycle when needed, your wash days will be totally transformed.